Nanay! Happy birthday!
Mami, may mga pangkuya, mga samahan ko sa trabaho.
Baka sabihin na, mga papits ko yan.
Ay, hindi, magagalit sa sweetheart ko. Okay, batiin nyo ulit. Mami,
Happy birthday!
Bisikatan pa.
Kami po yung mga kaibigan niya na rito. Kami po yung kaibigan dito.
Ako naman, batiin mo. Happy birthday! Mapasa yung cake.
Nak lang po. Lips naman.
Lips.
Ayan.
Lips, oh. Pasay.
Love you, Mami, I love you.
Nak
Happy birthday.
Putol naman talaga ang pangalan. Dapat yung pangalan niya.
May, ayan, happy birthday daw, ha.
Batiin mo yung Mr.
Sweetheart ko. Si
Sweetheart mo.
Sweetheart Narde. May, ito naman ang aming kuhan, bakery. Ito mga bakery na.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday, we love you!
Happy birthday!
Ito yung bakery namin, may. Ito yung aming mixer. One more.
Happy birthday, Mami!
This
From Aida. Aida Sol.
Ito yung aming soup man. This is our soup man.
Mami Suman.
Ito yung ginagawa ng sopas, ayan. Ang laki ng kaldero niyan. Mga 400 liters. Our soup man. Again.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Game.
Mami, happy birthday!
May, ito yung aming keep aming godmother.
Tapos eh...
Ay, kayo naman, buting mami.
Happy birthday!
Ayan. Mga, itong pagpatik namin, may.
No, please!
It's my mother's birthday. It's my mother's birthday.
Mamiya!
Bati mo naman mami ko. Atan.
Happy birthday!
Mami. Ay, may aming ice cover me. Ayan, gumagawa siya ng ng kuwan. Ano man, Aida?
Buki ng Aida.
Kiki daw ng Aida me. Ayan, ang poging carver.
Ito yung pogi-pogi.
Ito pa, pogi din to. Bati mo naman mami ko.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Ayan. Ito, kuwari lang to. Nakukumari ko si Nero. Bati mo rin ang mami ko.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Ang gugwapo ano me. Kita mo naman to.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday!
May naman ko, ibang restaurant naman to.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Which restaurant is one? This one is East Restaurant? Belladonna Restaurant. They make a meeting.
Happy birthday!
Ito na again.
Masaya ka na, may, ha? Maraming bumati sa'yo. I told my mother 20
Indonesian!
Ay, karami!
Filipino!
May, happy birthday daw ulit.
What's this one?
Already running.
Okay.
Okay, happy birthday, May. Happy birthday.
Kiss! Kiss!
Kiss mo dati.
Enough. It's my partner. Tell me mother's birthday. Get him. Malaki restaurant to. Ayan. Buffet restaurant. Kuhan pa lang yan. Kuhanan pa lang ito ng pagkain. Lawak niyan, ha? Ito ang mga display ng mga pagkain. Ito naman yung aming ham station, puro hamon yan, mga naka-plastic pa. Ciao, chef. I'm already go to the hospital, but doctor is not yet there, chef. Our chef, this is our chef. This our sous chef. He's working here.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hello.
Hello, Mama. Have a nice birthday. Wish you all the best.
He's working here in a restaurant.
Here, Market Restaurant on Aida Sol, together with Clara.
Yes, video. Hey, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here. This is our bakery. This is our bakery. And then,
Hello.
happy birthday, Mami.
Yummy.
You also, you also.
Hello!
Mga Pilipino yan, me.
Hello!
Happy birthday, happy mo mami ko.
Happy birthday!
Ito ang restaurant namin, me. Ayan, oh, puro tunay yan, hindi yan peke.
Birthday, Mama!
It's from India, me. From India, Goa.
Piano.
Again.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mama!
Me, ito yung magaganda namin mga kuwan.
Birthday po!
Ito yung magaganda namin mga kuwan.
Best piece.
Pinakamaganda namin mga sexy star namin ng mga dancer. mga kanto. Mga assistant housekeeper, me.
Good health po.
Ang
Mabait
ganda-
po tong anak. Mababait yan. Wala to ah.
Mamaya yan, oh.
Bye
Ito mo naman.
Bye-bye.